Hi, my name is Melissa and I work in the outreach department at Fountaindale Public Library. I wanted to share with you one of the new kits that will be available for checkout on the Bookmobile. This is one of our memory kits, and these kits are intended to be used by caregivers who help people that are dealing with memory loss due to Alzheimer's disease or some form of dementia. According to the Alzheimer's Association, 50 million people worldwide are living with Alzheimer's and other dementias. For those of you who may not know, Alzheimer's disease and dementia are two different things. Alzheimer's is a degenerative brain disease and is the most common form of dementia. Dementia is the term that describes a wide range of symptoms that affect a person's cognitive ability. Our outreach department provides materials and programming to 2 memory care facilities in Bolingbrook. There is a need for activities that stimulate the brain and also encourage conversations for people who are dealing with Alzheimer's disease or some form of dementia. With the help of our collection development librarian, we created memory kits that can be used for this exact purpose. We have a total of 11 kits, and each kit will have a different theme. Let's take a closer look at one of these kits. So here's a closer look at our Pets and Animals Memory Care Kit. Each kit contains an inventory sheet that shows a picture of each of the items inside. We also have included some conversation starters, and there is also an at-home safety checklist. All the kits will include a caregiver's guide to dementia. This kit, we have some picture books on animals, and these are really nice because the photographs are large and very colorful. We also included a DVD on animals. We have some aqua paint sheets, and these are great because all you need is water and the image appears, and then once the image dries, the image disappears, and you can reuse these over and over again. We also have a lace and trace activity. This is great for hand-eye coordination. We have an animal album. There are a variety of photographs of different animals, and then on the back we have some questions. This is just a fun little game. You match the images. And finally, we have an interactive cat. The cat's stomach moves up and down as if it was breathing to give it a realistic effect. So we hope that you enjoy using this memory kit and the many others that we have. If you would like to check out one of these memory kits, please contact the outreach department to check for availability. We hope that these kits will be beneficial to the residents of our community, and we look forward to seeing you on the Bookmobile.